The world of portable technology is standing on the edge of a revolution. And today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most anticipated device of the year, the iPad Mini 8. If you have been waiting for a tablet that perfectly balances power, portability, and professional-grade performance, the leaks surrounding this upcoming release are nothing short of game-changing. We're talking about a device that promises to redefine how you interact with your digital life, whether you're a power user, a creative on the move, or someone who simply demands the absolute best in mobile hardware. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. As we dive deeper into the leaks and industry reports, it becomes clear that the iPad Mini 8 isn't just an incremental update. It's a complete reimagining of the compact form factor. For years, the Mini has been the go-to for those who value a device that fits in one hand but packs a punch, yet there have always been compromises. This time, Apple is reportedly shattering those limitations. The chatter from the supply chain is deafening, and every signal points toward a device that inherits the best DNA from the Pro lineup, while maintaining that signature, travel-friendly size that makes the iPad Mini 8 so incredibly unique. Let's talk about the display, because this is where the conversation gets truly exciting. For the longest time, the Mini lineup has relied on traditional LCD technology, but the industry buzz confirms that the iPad Mini 8 is making the monumental leap to OLED. Imagine the deep, inky blacks, the punchy contrast, and the vibrant color accuracy that you've only seen on the high-end iPhone or the latest iPad Pro, now packed into a small, handheld frame. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about a total shift in how you experience media. Whether you're editing photos, streaming your favorite series, or just scrolling through your feed, the clarity of an OLED panel on an 8.3 to 8.7-inch display will be a revelation. No more compromises on viewing angles or ghosting. This display is designed to be the crispest, most responsive window into your content that Apple has ever put into a small tablet. Now consider the engine running under the hood. The iPad Mini 8 is rumored to be powered by the A19 Pro chip, a silicon powerhouse that puts desktop-class performance right into your palms. This isn't just about faster load times. It's about the massive leap in AI capabilities. With iPad OS evolving to handle complex machine learning tasks, the A19 Pro will ensure that your device stays fast, responsive, and capable of handling professional workloads for years to come. Think about the gaming performance. Hardware-accelerated ray tracing in a tablet this size? It's going to be a console in your backpack. Whether you are running complex creative apps or pushing the limits of multitasking, the architectural efficiency of the A19 Pro ensures that the iPad Mini 8 stays cool and responsive, bridging the gap between a casual tablet and a serious workstation. But the innovation doesn't stop at the silicon. The design of the iPad Mini 8 is expected to be the most durable in the history of the product line. We are hearing consistent reports about a groundbreaking speaker system that utilizes vibration-based technology. By eliminating traditional speaker grills, Apple is paving the way for something we've never seen on a tablet: official water and dust resistance. Imagine taking your iPad Mini 8 to the beach, by the pool, or out in the rain without a second thought. This IP68 level of protection turns a fragile luxury into a rugged, everyday companion. It's a testament to the fact that Apple is listening to the users who want their gear to be as mobile as they are, without being tethered to a safe, sterile environment. When we look at the connectivity upgrades, the iPad Mini 8 is set to be future-proofed in every sense. With the integration of advanced modems and support for Wi-Fi 7, you're looking at blazing fast data transfer speeds and rock-solid connections. In an age where everything is cloud-based, having that level of connectivity on the go is more than a convenience. It's a necessity. Apple is ensuring that the iPad Mini 8 is ready for the next decade of digital interaction, providing a seamless experience that feels as snappy and responsive as if you were plugged directly into a high-speed fiber connection. It is also worth noting the software integration. With the latest iterations of iPad OS, the iPad Mini 8 becomes the ideal host for advanced AI tools. from predictive writing assistants to advanced image generation and smarter, context-aware assistants. Everything that makes the modern iPad experience so intuitive is amplified by the sheer processing power of the new hardware. The way the device handles these tasks on-device rather than relying on the cloud keeps your data private and your workflows fast, making the iPad mini 8 not just a gadget, but a personalized, intelligent assistant. For those wondering about the ergonomics, the rumors of slightly thinner bezels are particularly intriguing. By reducing the footprint around the screen, Apple could potentially squeeze a larger 8.7-inch display into a chassis that feels nearly identical to the previous generation. This is the ultimate more screen, less device philosophy. It's that perfect point of equilibrium where you get the expansive feel of a larger tablet with the unmatched portability of the mini form factor. Every time you pick it up, you'll feel that shift. It's lighter, it's tighter, and it's undeniably premium. We also have to discuss the potential price point. Quality like this comes at a premium, and while we expect the iPad mini 8 to carry a higher price tag than its predecessor, the value proposition is clear. You are essentially getting a pocket-sized version of a pro-level device. If you are a student, a creative, or a professional who spends time commuting, this device pays for itself in sheer utility. It is an investment in productivity, in media, and in mobile freedom. As we look at the landscape of the tech world in 2026, the iPad mini 8 is positioned to be the undisputed king of its category. It isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It's Apple saying that the compact tablet market is alive, well, and more innovative than ever. Whether you have been holding off on your next purchase or you're looking to upgrade from an older generation, the jump to the iPad mini 8 will be the most significant leap you've ever experienced in the mini series. The blend of the OLED screen, the A19 Pro raw power, and the rugged, water-resistant design makes this the most compelling argument yet for owning a small tablet.